Smartwatches are doing to your old wristwatch what smartphones did a few years back to the basic mobile phone. Using watches that only tell you the time is passé, and functions like controlling your texts and mails or running apps to monitor your fitness level are the least you expect from these improved devices. But one aspect that has taken a hit in the race to develop smartwatches with newer, more advanced features is the elegance that was common with handcrafted timepieces. If you are one of those classy watch wearers who value style and exquisite design, we have just the thing for you.
Here we go.
The Huawei stainless steel smartwatch combines Swiss design with cutting-edge technology to give you a luxurious statement piece that you would love to wear on the most formal of occasions. Its cold-forged stainless steel casing, fine leather and stainless steel straps, and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal body give it a look to rival the most stylish watches. You can even match it to your own personal style with the variety of watch faces to choose from, and keep changing the look to fit the occasion, whether it's a hike you are off to or a black tie party. The overall fashionable look is maintained with the smart 1.4-inch full-circle AMO LED display that combines great looks with sharp functionality. Instead of many keys and dials that give smartwatches a clunky look, this really smart smartwatch boasts of one multi-purpose ergonomic button for ease of use. But it's not just about looks with the Huawei smartwatch. Its superior features can beat the best in the market with compatibility with both Android and iOS operating systems. The 400x400 display can be used to read text and mail notifications over Wi-Fi, control music on your phone, and use more than 4,000 Android Wear apps that you can personalize to keep you connected without being distracted. Meeting your fitness goals has never been easier either. The high-accuracy motion sensor in the Huawei smartwatch tracks your movement, and the inbuilt monitor keeps an eye on your heart rate in a non-intrusive manner, helping you to stay healthy while you work. Time to see what the users of this lovingly crafted smartwatch have to say about it. It gets a very impressive average score of 4.3 on 5 stars from over 1,700 reviewers. The impressive looks, combined with the great functionality, have won the watch many fans among its users. There are a few concerns from some quarters, like relatively short battery life with some watch faces and weak vibration, but it seems that most of these concerns can be resolved easily with one of the many apps available for the watch. Overall, a very impressive foray into the smartwatch segment from Huawei. That's all on the Huawei stainless steel smartwatch from us. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Not satisfied with this product? Take a look at some of our other smartwatch reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.